Oh, hey guys, check out this screen repair kit, right? This is fantastic. Now let me tell you right off the bat, they sent this to me as a gift because I have a 100-year-old house and my screens are falling apart, right? So this came through in a clutch when I needed it. And when I opened up this box and I saw it had everything included for multiple screens, I was pumped up, right? Now let me show you right off the bat. So first it's gonna have that spine hook tool, right? Now this thing is great. It's gonna look like a dentist tool with that little sharp edge on it, you know, and this is gonna be to pull that old spline out of your old screen, right? Now I also use this to help push the spine down in that new screen, right? So let me tell you, let me show you the rest of this, right? Now it's also gonna have a sweet little tape measure included that's gonna, you know, it's gonna stay where you need it until you push that button and then it goes back in, right? And then it also comes included with this little cute little utility knife. And this is fantastic as well. It's super sharp and it works really good. And then it comes with a bunch of screen. I tell you, you're gonna be able to do so many different screens with this. I am just blown away. Now this screen material is also fantastic. This is gonna be an upgrade from my old, you know, screens that I had. I can tell right away that, you know, this is a high quality screen and I love it. And then on top of all of this, two of these screen roller tools, right? Now that's what's great. It's gonna have the metal one and the plastic one, right? Now let me tell you, they put right in the instructions not to do some extra rollings with this because it's gonna ruin the screen. I didn't listen to that and I used the screen roller and I was just rolling down that spine, right? And then I noticed I started to cut the spine, right? Because I got some muscles on me and I was just pushing too hard, right? So that is where this hook tool is gonna come in dandy, right? So I just gave it a little push with the roller tool and then I used this one to push it down all the way. Then once it was pushed down all the way, I followed up with a little with this one and that worked perfectly. So let me show you here. This is great. This is a brand new screen, man. This saved me so much money. I didn't have to go out and buy all new screens, right? I'm just gonna be able to repair them all. I'm probably gonna repair them all with the same kit. There's so much spine, there's so much screen, there's so much everything included. This is a great deal and it's high quality stuff, right? So all in all, if you're looking for a way to fix your screens, you know, get a little 2025 upgrade in your screens, this right here is gonna be the route to go. This screen fixing kit is fantastic.